These are the closing resolutions of the protest against Sakineh Mohammadi Ashtiani's stoning verdict. We're gathered here today in response to the plight of Sakineh Mohammadi Ashtiani's children. They've called upon the world for help to save their mother's life. We in Washington, D.C. tell them that we feel their pain and their enormous grief. We want them to know that they are not alone in their sorrow and their anguish. Dear children, your letter has raised a wave of sympathy and compassion, demonstrating that humanity is alive. Today, we loudly declare, first, the stoning verdict against Sakineh Mohammadi Ashtiani should be discarded. Execution is murder by the state, and stoning is the most savage and merciless form of execution and should be abolished, must be abolished in Iran and worldwide. Sexual relationships between adults are private matters, and no individual, no institution, and especially no government has the right to interfere in these matters. Fourth, we strongly condemn the Islamic Republic for its barbaric implementation of stoning, execution, and torture, and its enforcement of Qisas laws. Demand that Sakineh Mohammadi Ashtiani's stoning verdict be overturned, as well as the verdicts of all others condemned to stoning and execution. Fifth, we use this opportunity to demand immediate and unconditional release of all political prisoners, including Zainab Jalalian. Sixth, the Islamic Republic of Iran's leaders must be prosecuted and punished in an international court on charges of stoning and on charges of execution of tens of thousands of people. No to execution, no to stoning, and no to murderous Islamic Qisas laws.
Yes. Yes.